Hi friends, it's Katie. I've got a beauty tip for you today. Excuse my foundation-free face. I certainly need a little bit of coverage. Now, I wanted to share with you an idea that you could try at home today, and it's a way that you can make your foundation last longer, but also it's a way that you could make your foundation look really pretty, natural and sheer, ready for a beautiful sunny day. So to do that, you're going to take your liquid foundation and you're simply going to put a few pumps into the palm of your hand. I'm going to use 2 pumps. However, the more pumps you put into your hand, the slightly more coverage it's going to give you. Then I'm going to put in a couple of pumps of my facial moisturizer. Now this one that I'm going to wear today has a UVA and a UVB protectant in it as a SPF 30, and it's an added bonus if you've got a UVA and a UVB because it means it will protect your skin from the aging and burning effects of the sun. So I'm going to put in equal measure, so 2 measures equal to the foundation. And remember, if you want slightly more coverage, just put in a little bit more of your foundation, mix it all together, and then you've just made yourself really lovely tinted moisturizer with the added bonus that this tinted moisturizer also protects my skin from the aging and burning effects of the sun. And don't forget, when you do wear an SPF, always make sure it has a broad spectrum UVA, because it's the UVA that protects us from the aging effects. And those UVA rays can filter through even a window. So it's important to always wear one daily, even on a cloudy day. So I hope this little tip inspires you. If you wanted to see what I'm using, I will put the link above or below. Now I'm going to carry on applying my foundation and putting my makeup on for the day. And I'll see you soon for another beauty tip. Bye.